Trying to get them laugh if she wants.
Oh yeah, she likes
Je peux
sunglasses.
sentir la musique. Je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque
There you
chose.
go.
Et la musique classique, ça vous fait quelque chose?
Enfin, tellement, la musique classique c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
Make it Luxembourg and Tako.
And then at least you know how big that strap.
Kenapa kok bisa mencret? Wah.
Hey, kok aneh?
I think there's that strap that you have to undo on the bottom.
Oh shit.
No, bottom. Other side of it, yeah. Yay!
Dude, is it broken?
No.
Wah, kok aneh banget?
Do you want me to help?
Something still go wrong.
There you go.
There she goes.
Nice.
Camping ain't never been that easy.
Jacob. He's not unimpressed.
It's a long one, huh? Yeah, it's a bad day. It's a bad start of the day.
Next.
You got a shower? Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a shower as well.
I've just finished my morning shower. Well, I didn't shower yet actually, I just washed my face and brushed my teeth. It's day 2 of camping and today I have to work from home or work from the campsite, I guess, while everyone's gonna go do a bit of shopping because we don't have our complete camping set. It's day 2 of camping. I am working from the camp. I did not take a day off today, but everyone else did, or just has a day off from the company. Everyone's out right now. 2 of us, Ian and Maria, are at Luxembourg City because they need warmer sleeping bags. It was about like 5 degrees last night, and they only had sleeping bags that were 15 degree friendly. And another 2 of us are grocery shopping and Kevin is out for a run. We're just gonna take it easy today because I am still working. So we're gonna come back, we're gonna have lunch, and then we might take a nice walk somewhere, but no big hikes, no nothing. That should be for tomorrow, I guess. Last night was freezing. My nose was cold all the time. I had to sleep under the covers till my face wouldn't freeze. But it was nice. The sound of the water was behind us, and it was just really lovely.
Goodbye in the White House. Yeah, no, this is not. It's some music vibe. Let's sing a song. Gas station. Cigarettes, alcohol. Okay. Can you put my glass off it?
Glasses off?
Yeah. Yeah. Didn't need to.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Tako, hello. Oh, Tako alone. Hello.
Tako, sit. Tako, sit.
Tako, sit. Sit. Tako.
He's so tired.
Sit. Fuck off.
Stop it. I'm not doing it for the gram.
Yeah.
Tako.
Y'all better pay me.
Oh, he's just like a human.
Oh my goodness.
Tako. Tako. Tako.
It's so derpy. Oh my god.
It's okay.
Oh yeah,
my
he
God.
likes sunglasses. And that way it really is a job. You're doing everything for him and he's ungrateful.
Oh god.
Okay, go.
Run, Forrest. No.
The best way.
Tako, he knows what he's doing.
Trying to get the laugh, and I knew she was just about to look back, so I tried to get you to laugh on that one. Ready?
Oh, the balloon's going.
The princess has arrived.
View, Tako, view.
Napligando. Ayo Tako, dirusak. Say win. Say win. Gak loncat kayak bapak-bapak itu.
Wait, video. Oh, it's really slippery.
Jump.
Okay, how it's my people.
Oh!
Nah, halo. Senang nggak? Senang nggak? Having fun. Jangan buka sih ya.
Yang mana tadi?
Kenapa?
Shibi.
Ito. That's our tent. One. Bagus. Kemana dia? Was it spooky?
I always get freaked out at first. Like,
Oh, lihat aku. Tapi tungguin, jangan jauh-jauh. Oh, wait, it's so dark with my sunglasses.
That's cool. Jana, ano lanjut? Bye.
Ah, jangan lah. Okay, enough vibes.
Waiting around for you to call back.
Kesana aku. Whoa,
Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city's not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me.
I guess it is a dangerous crossing if there's no light.
Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. Your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh yeah, I need ini ya berarti. I need apa? Apa?
Corgi came out walking in that walking trail in the other car.
Oh, I was like,
And I was
oh
like,
my god,
another corgi. I was like, it was really funny though.
Actual foxholes. Look how wet that gets. Imagine that in the winter. More foxholes here. And the medics that had to run around
Yeah.
in between foxholes to make sure everyone is still okay.
Like, you know, the frantic running.
Thank you.